Hi everyone. Welcome to Passcode Tuner, and today I will teach you how to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. 3 methods are discussed in this video. When Find My iPhone is off, you can directly reset iPhone in settings. It will not ask you to enter the Apple ID password. Open your iPhone, tap Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Tap Erase now. Tap Erase iPhone. Then just wait the iPhone to restart. Now you can quickly set up the iPhone. Method 2: Reset iPhone without Apple ID password via iPhone Passcode Tuner. First of all, you should make sure the iPhone is activated and there should be screen lock and 2-factor authentication on. Go to Passcode Tuner official website and download iPhone Passcode Tuner. After downloading, install it on your computer. You should also make iTunes installed on your computer. Now, open iPhone Passcode Tuner. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Remove Apple ID on the software interface. Click the Start button. Make sure screen lock is on, then enter 0000. Click Next. Make sure 2-factor authentication is on. You can check it on your iPhone. Input 0000 and click on Next. It asks you to download the firmware package. Click Download. Well, the removing process will also delete your iPhone data. Click Remove to start removing exist Apple ID from your iPhone. The software shows removed Apple ID successfully. Click Next. It shows the tutorial to unlock Apple ID with device passcode. Then you can quickly set up the iPhone. Tap Unlock with Passcode. Tap Use Device Passcode. Enter the screen lock password. After that, you can finish the setup with a new Apple ID easily. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone by iTunes without Apple ID password. It is better to make Find My feature disabled on the iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer and put it into recovery mode first. Then launch iTunes on your computer. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update. Click Next. Click Agree. Wait patiently. See, iTunes is restoring the software on your iPhone. Alright, now it finishes and your iPhone restarts. Quickly set it up with your Apple ID now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.